Ever need to replace a part of your Photoshop image and you need to make it look believable? Well, with Flux Kontext Pro, that's entirely possible now. And I'm going to show you how it works. Flux Kontext Pro is Photoshop's new AI model for smart replacements and stylized edits. Here's how it works. Start by selecting the entire layer. You want to use generative fill, and then select the model from the model picker. The difference with Flux Kontext Pro and Firefly is that with Flux, you can use conversational editing, which means you can refine instead of restart. For example, if you want to change this jacket, just type change jacket to fluffy blue faux fur jacket. The model adjusts lighting and texture automatically, and here's the result. Next, let's zoom in on our model. So let's say we want to remove her sunglasses. One way to do this would be to use the selection tool. But because there are so many shadows around her eyeglasses, the better way to do this is to just use a marquee tool and select around her face, and then ask it to remove sunglasses. And here's the result: crisp edges and consistent lighting. You can continue making changes, including hair color or style. Next, we're going to take this image and create a comic book style illustration out of it. Here's the prompt, and you want to make sure to add your copy that you want in the thought bubble in quotes. Flux Kontext Pro shows all the details from the original photo while keeping true to the illustrative style. Give Flux Kontext Pro a try in Photoshop Beta and see how far you can push your style. For more short AI workflow videos like this one, hit subscribe.